SAP versions. Example, this is the GUI. We have 3-layer architecture, right? This is GUI, application server, and database. And the application is installed on some host. And database also in some host. Let's start with GUI, the first layer. SAP GUI. The SAP GUI versions are like started from 700. The latest is 770. Sorry, 770, 760, 750, 740, 730, 720, 710. These are the GUI versions. Your GUI versions. The latest version available for the SAP GUI is 770, but we are using 760. I'm using 760. Yeah, so SAP logon 760 means it's a version. About SAP logon. SAP logon for Windows is the type, and 760 is the version. 760 is the version. Okay, from here you can check this. From here, about SAP logon. Here you can check your version, SAP GUI version. From support.sap.com, you can download the latest version for 770 also. It is available. Please make a note. Coming to the SAP application. Coming to SAP application. The SAP application, the basic functionality, the main functionality is ERP. The ERP 4.0 was started in 1972. Then ERP 5.0, the next version. Now current version is ERP 6.0 is running. ERP 6.0 is running. In this ERP 6.0, the first system was SR1 system. It's very old. Just for your information, there is no use. Then SR2 system was released. Then SR3 is the latest system in the SR3 versions. After that, in the ERP 6.0 itself, ERP 6.0 itself, the EHP started. Please make a note. EHP stands for enhancement pack. EHP 0, EHP 1, one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me mention EHP, sorry, ERP 6.0. ERP 6.0, EHP 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4, 5. ERP 6.0. EHP 7. ERP 6.0. EHP 8. The